Welcome to Solid State Disks How-To Video Library Collection. Chapter 7, SCSI Flash Firmware Upgrade. Part 1. Installing SCSI Flash Bootloader. This video covers the installation of SCSI Flash Bootloader software required for updates to the device firmware. First, you will need to request the software from Solid State Disks. Place the installation file in a convenient location. Double-click on the installation file. Select Run if any Windows security pop-ups appear. Select Next to continue. Select Next to continue. Select Next. Installation progress bar will not display. Select Close to complete the installation. Installation is now complete. We can now run the software. Double-click the bootloader shortcut to start the software. You can also run the software from the Solid State Disks folder in the Start menu. You may see a Windows pop-up warning. Please click Yes to allow changes. Once open, the software displays is above. Before preparing the drive, you can load the firmware in readiness. Click on Load File from the top ribbon of the GUI. Navigate to the file you are going to load and double-click or select Open from the bottom right of the screen. Note: the firmware is a zip file. Do not extract the zip file. It is loaded into the bootloader in this format. File load successful is displayed. Firmware version is displayed with a green traffic light. See you in Part 2, preparing the drive for firmware update. Thank you for watching.